Hello everybody, this is Karthikeya from CSCB. My topic is detection of plagiarism in programming assignment. Definition of plagiarism. Plagiarism is nothing but papers, projects or any assignment prepared outside of class, includes but is not limited to omitting quotations marks or other conventional marking around material quoted from any printed source, to steal and pass off the idea or words from another one owns. So plagiarism is nothing but to steal uh, the idea or words or anything from another ones. So and there is another definition is to use another production without crediting the source, which means uh, without giving the credit, uh, somebody without giving the credits, uh, using the production without giving the credits to the own person to commit literary theft. So this is the plagiarism detection. The Calvin and Lancaster's four stage of detecting plagiarism. So there are four stages for detecting the plagiarism. The first one is collection and analysis, confirmation and investigation. So first one is collection. Then analysis. So we have to analyze that the plagiarism is occurred or not. So then we have to confirm it, which means the plagiarism is occurred or not. Then we have to investigate, which means why the person did the plagiarism. So these are the four steps to detecting the plagiarism. Plagiarism detection technique. So there are two ways that the plagiarism detection: text-based plagiarism detection techniques and source code-based plagiarism detection techniques. So there are other techniques to detect the plagiarism detection. There are substring matching, keyword similarity, exact fingerprint match, text phrasing. Substring matching. Try to identify maximal matches in the page. So the substring matching, we need to find the maximal matches in the page, which means when we suppose to take the copy that the plagiarism is occurred. So we need to identify the maximum matches in the page. So which then are used as plagiarism. As said, where there are the maximum matches in the page, the plagiarism is occurred. Typically, the substrings are represented in suffix 3. The graph-based measures are employed to capture the fraction of the plagiarism sections. So there is a disadvantage is that sometimes the same things will be matched in the page without occurring plagiarism. So this is the disadvantage in the substring matching. So another one is keyword similarity. Extract topping, identifying keywords from a document. So we need to extract the topics identifying keywords from the document. So we need to identify the keywords from the document and compare with the keywords of the other document, which is other document. If the similarity exists a threshold, the candidate document are divided into small pieces, which are then compared recursively. This approach assumes that plagiarism usually happens in topical similar documents. Exact fingerprint match. The documents are partitioned in term sequence called chunks. They are used as plagiarism indicators, from which digital digits are computed that form the document fingerprint. Text phrasing. Any sentence of the text can be automatically represented in the form of the text. It reflects the structure of the sentence. Tools used for the text-based plagiarism. Flag aware, flag scan, check for plagiarism.net, authenticate, plagiarismdetection.org. Coming to the source code based plagiarism detection technique, there are four uh, detection techniques are there in source code based. First one is lexical similarities, price tree similarities, program dependence graph, matrix. Coming to the disadvantages of plagiarism detection system. Plagiarism detection system are built based on few languages. To check for plagiarism with the same software can be difficult. So, plagiarism detection system are built based on a few languages, only for the few languages, not to all languages. So, when we use the same software with the different languages, the plagiarism will not work, which means we cannot find the plagiarism in the document page. So it is difficult to check plagiarism because it is available in only few languages, not all languages. Most of the detection software checking is done with some repository situated in an organization. Other people are unable to access it and verify for plagiarism. So some of the plagiarism checking done in some respirator system, which means in a the detection system is checking of detection software is what we say securely, which means only selected people can access it, not all the people. So when the other people wants to verify for plagiarism occurred or not, so it is difficult to access that because it is secure. Conclusion: plagiarism is rampant now. With most of the data available to us in digital format, the venues for plagiarism is opening up. To avoid this kind of cheating and to acknowledge the originality of the author, new detection techniques are to be created. So the conclusion is that plagiarism detection technique is sometimes plagiarism is useful, sometimes plagiarism is not useful. So we are when we the detects of the page we need to overcome the detects of the plagiarism. So the solution is uh, we need to make the new detection techniques to uh, to keep safe the originality of the author, to protect the intellectual, or to be developed and implemented. So this is the conclusion. Thank you.